So I do think Isanti County, northern Washington County, and then up through the northern part of Anoka County, we'll get some areas, some spotty areas. We'll see more than 16 inches of snow.
Wow, big day today. I'm at the airport. Did want to show you the snow total so far. I'm at 5.9 storm total, and we have another 107 inch right there. Sorry about that. 107 inch of liquid, and you go to this snow to water ratio. Just take a look at that. 107 inch of liquid would bring us another half an inch, almost 6/10 of an inch of snow. So we're gonna head outside here. I've got my hood up for a very important reason. It's nuts outside. Heavy snow currently falling, visibility down to a quarter mile. And generally we can see the terminal right over there, but not today. Winds gusting to about 20-30 miles an hour. And of course you can see the runway is pretty much snowed over. Flights have been canceled, about half of them in fact. We're expecting, again, as Belinda said, about 7 to 14 inches. I would doubt it if maybe some spots pick up 15 to 20. So this is quite a storm, and keep you up to date here. Thanks for tuning in. We will definitely let you know how things turn out here on this December 11th, one of the biggest snowstorms since the Halloween blizzard of '91.